Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super important in the world of crypto, wallets. You've probably heard the phrase, not your keys, not your coins. But what does that actually mean? Let's decode it together, because understanding this is crucial for keeping your digital assets safe. So how do crypto wallets even work? It's a common misconception that your crypto is stored in your wallet, like cash in a physical wallet. That's not quite right. Your crypto actually lives on the blockchain, which is a public digital ledger. Your wallet doesn't hold the coins, it holds the keys that prove you own them. Think of it like this. Your public address is like your bank account number. You can share it freely with anyone who wants to send you crypto. It's public information. But your private key is like your bank account PIN. It's the secret code that gives you access to your funds, allowing you to spend them or move them. Anyone who gets your private key can control your crypto. This is the single most important piece of information you need to protect. Now, when you first set up a wallet, you'll be given something called a seed phrase, or recovery phrase. This is usually a list of 12 to 24 random words. Write these words down in the correct order and store them somewhere incredibly safe and offline. Why? Because this seed phrase is essentially the master key to all your private keys. If your phone breaks or your computer crashes, you can use this seed phrase to restore your wallet and access your funds on a new device. It's your ultimate backup. But here's the critical part. If you lose this phrase, your crypto is gone, forever. There's no customer service to call, no forgot password link. You are your own bank, and that responsibility is entirely on you. Likewise, if someone else finds your seed phrase, they can steal everything. Never ever share it with anyone or store it digitally where it could be hacked. This brings us to the two main types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is connected to the internet. Think of mobile apps, desktop software, or browser extension wallets. They're super convenient for everyday transactions, like buying a coffee with crypto or trading frequently. Because they're always online, they're great for accessibility. However, that same online connection makes them more vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. They're hot because they're active and online. On the other side, we have cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets. These are physical devices, often looking like a USB drive, that store your private keys completely offline. To make a transaction, you have to physically connect the device to your computer and manually approve the transaction on the device itself. This offline nature makes them incredibly secure from online threats. It's like keeping your life savings in a high-security vault instead of your pocket. For holding larger amounts of crypto long-term, a cold wallet is the gold standard for security. So, to recap, your wallet holds your keys, not your coins. Your private key gives you control, and your seed phrase is the master backup for those keys. Hot wallets are convenient for daily use but less secure, while cold wallets are the ultimate for secure long-term storage. Remember, the power of crypto comes with the responsibility of securing it. Protecting your keys is everything. If you lose them, you lose it all. It's a harsh reality, but knowing this is the first step to becoming a savvy and secure crypto user. I hope this helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that makes crypto easy to understand. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.